Hey Nandi, how are you feeling? Are you okay? Okay. Do you want to say anything?
TikTok is currently filled with challenges of the notorious Dr. Nandi Til. That a trend of the video that I inserted at the beginning is currently trending. Dr. Nandipa's first court appearance last week. TikToker Lebzii recreated that moment where a reporter called Linda Mnisi asked the doctor if she was okay. Now in the video, Dr. Nandipa responds to the reporter if she's okay by nodding her head and also shakes her head saying she doesn't want to say anything. Now that a video that the TikToker recreated has close to 1 million views on the platform right now. So the Dr. Nandipa challenge is trending not only on TikTok but also videos were all shared on all social media platforms. Now please comment, like, subscribe and also share this video. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.